Right, today I am going to go over how to submit an assignment on the content page. This is regarding your PowerPoint assignment you had with interactions of Earth's spheres. So to go to the assignment, I need to go to Tools and then Assignments. I find my assignment. I'll click on it. And I need to download the PowerPoint so I can fill it out. So I'm going to click on this attachment, which is the PowerPoint I want you to fill out. It's going to pop up as a download in my lower left hand of my screen. I can click on it and it's going to open the assignment. You need to press Enable Editing at the top of the screen, or it will not let you type in the document. So I'm going to press Enable Editing. I should be able to type now. So for this first one, I move the box. Let's just do the first one together here. B is pointing to the grass and the tree, so that is our biosphere. So I should be able to type in there. Now, when I finish, I want to go to File, Save As. You are going to want to save your document on your computer where you know where it's going to be. So I'm going to press Browse. I'm going to make sure I label it that I can find it. And we say Spheres, Activity, PowerPoint. And then I'm going to save it on my desktop because I find that that's the easiest way for me to find things that I need to upload. So I save. I can go back to the Earth Science page. I'm at that assignment page again, so if you need another refresher on how to do that, if you're at the main page, you're ready to submit your assignment, you go to Tools, Assignments, click on Interactions of Earth Spheres. I scroll down. I'm going to add a file. I need to find my file that I saved on my computer. So I go to My Computer. I'm going to click Upload. I'm going to find my assignment on my desktop. So here's my PowerPoint. I'm going to open it. It's going to load. So when the green bar fills up, that means it's ready to add it. I click Add. I can see my assignment is right there. And then I click Submit. And your assignment should be submitted so that I can see it.